What's up, guys? Today we got a 2016 Kia Sportage here. The battery is dead. This car I jump started, so if your car doesn't crank, your radio turns on, most likely your battery's dead. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. So you're going to need some tools, okay? We're going to need a ratchet. This is a 3/8 long extension, and then we're going to need oh, my glove got caught. You're going to need a number 10 and a 13mm socket. Alright, that's all you're going to need to change the battery. But I like to change my battery with the car running, okay? It's not going to damage anything. So let the car run, okay? That way you don't kill the memory or anything. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is right down here, right in the center right there, you have a 13mm. I believe it's a number 13. If it's a different size, I'll let you know. But usually, okay, this is a number 12 or 11. I'm gonna figure this one out. I'm sorry, 12 or 11. Okay, so I have 12 here. 12 works pretty good on it. And just turn that bolt. You take your ratchet off. The reason why I'm changing this battery with the car running is because I do not want to lose memory, radio core, anything like that. Some cars will stall. If you replace the battery with a Toyota, it's most likely gonna stall because you lost the idle memory. So you're reaching in there for this little guy. Once this guy is out, you pretty much have losing the battery out. You see that? I'm gonna show you the cold cranking apps on this battery. So we're gonna disconnect this and disconnect this. One thing I'm going to tell you is very critical. Very critical. Do not let that positive touch anywhere on the body. Alright, because you will blow fuse or computer. It could be a lot of things, okay? After that, you're going to disconnect negative. Just put it to the side here. The positive is something you don't want anything to touch. Let me loosen up that bolt a little bit more. And once it's loose, it will come up just like that. And then you can just let it sit to the side. Let's take off this little jacket of this battery. And we have a handle on this battery. So there's the original battery. Now, I got the new battery. So make sure you put it back the same way, okay? Positive has to be there. If you disconnect it wrong, forget about it, guys. You're gonna be in trouble. Okay, so I'm gonna put this little jacket back on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect negative and positive. The terminals look very good and clean on this vehicle. So we don't need to worry about terminals being dirty or cleaning, okay? There you go, perfectly. Make sure you hold it down. Lock up the bolt. Same thing with the other side. Lock up the bolt. Still loose. Let me lock it up some more. There you go. Okay, after that, make sure you put this little guy, close up the cover. So the cold cranking on this little guy is 700 cold cranking apps. So this one, you need to reach all the way down there. And get your bolt. Once you have that on, just give it good turns. Catch the bolt. Nice and tight, and you're done. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. I helped you out change the battery in your vehicle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share and like.